What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. And in this video I'm going to review not one, not two, but three fragrances from the house of Ibrahim Al-Qi, now called IBRAQ. They have changed their brand name a couple of months back. So here I'm talking about these three fragrances. Here you go. And actually I bought these three fragrances as a bundle, and this bundle is still available on their website. They have two bundles. The first one, which I got here, is called Summer Breeze Bundle. In this bundle you will get three of these fragrances, the big one, 100 ml bottles, and then you will get a set of three other fragrances from the same collection with the 10 ml size. Here you go. And if you buy the other bundle, which is Summer Ocean Bundle, then you will get these three fragrances in big bottles and 10 ml samples of these fragrances. Actually, Summer Ocean Bundle which means like these fragrances are for women, and these three fragrances are for men. So let's start our review. I got this bundle for 225 AED, Emirates dirhams, and the price of single bottle is 95 UAE dirham nowadays, because Saudi National Day is coming on the 23rd of this month. So this offer is available from last 2 months, because I bought these fragrances like around 2 or 3 months back. The offer was looking good, so I pulled the trigger, and this was a blind buy. So let's find out if the bet was like a win or a loss. So let's start a review. And in this video I'm not going to talk about these three, because these three are like but we will talk about these three fragrances. So let's start with the first one, which is Sea Breeze. And you can see the packaging here, you can see the box. It's white colored box with all this branding, the name of the perfume, Sea Breeze, the name of the brand, IBRAQ, and you can see this lighthouse, the waves in the back, and then you can find some branding here in the back, the logo of Ibrahim Al-Qi on the top, and your barcode and some more details here in the bottom. A simple white paper box with all this UV and embossed printing. You can see this area, this is all raised and embossed. Let me show you. So this is the box, very simple, nothing fancy here. And now let me show you the bottle. But the bottles are unique and they look really nice. And here you go. As you can see, these are white colored bottles, nothing on the sides, nothing in the back. Here you will find the logo of IBRAQ embossed on these bottles, and this sticker with the name of the perfume, and this tassel here. The cap here is made of wood and it's very light, and this big atomizer here. But the bottles here comes with this stone kind of finish. You can see it's very rough and it looks like a stone made bottle instead of glass, but luckily the bottle is translucent and you can see the juice level if you put it against a strong light. So this is about the presentation. These bottles really look good, they're unique, and I really like these bottles. So let's start with the first one, which is Sea Breeze. I'm not going to give you any notes breakdown here. You can check the notes breakdown on the website of IBRAQ or Ibrahim Al-Qi. I'm just going to explain you that how these perfumes actually smells and if I like them or not. So Sea Breeze. Sea Breeze actually is a twist of Crete's Silver Mountain Water. Unfortunately not done right. This one smells very synthetic and it's very metallic. Silver Mountain Water smells gorgeous. That perfume is also a little bit metallic, but the note of blackcurrant and the note of tea is amazing there. The overall fragrance is very nice, very smooth and very elegant. Even the previous clones or alternatives available in the market for Crete's Silver Mountain Water smells really good. If we talk about Rassasi's Al-Wissam Day, smells gorgeous with an addition of some florals, and there are a lot more, but this one unfortunately didn't work very well. and for me, I really didn't like it much. Here you will get a lot of aldehydes, and blackcurrant and tea note is not coming up as they should. So for me, this is a very generic kind of blue fresh kind of perfume. If you just want to smell good in summer, you are going outdoors for a swim or just for a walk or a jogging, or if you want to just smell good, nice and fresh in your gym, then you can use it, but nothing wow, nothing to excite you here. So this was about Sea Breeze. Do let me know in the comments box if you have tried this perfume. I would love to hear your feedback. And now let's jump to the second fragrance, and the second one I got here is Chasing Waves. Very similar kind of box with different branding and different color. Here the color is blue, you can see the pattern, some surfing boards here, some waves in the back, and you can see the name of the perfume, Chasing Waves. And this is the back, this is the top, very similar packaging. And now let me show you the bottle. So definitely, once again, bottle is very similar except the color of the sticker here and the color of this tassel. And see, I already lost one of my tassel. It's right here. So putting these bottles back in the box and bringing them out is really hectic, because these little guys are very annoying. So I would say keep your bottles outside all the time if you are using them regularly. If you're not like me with 600-700 fragrances, then yeah, keep them on your table, throw the box away and use the fragrance, enjoy it. So let's talk about this perfume. So this is Chasing Waves, and this is a clone of very famous perfume from the house of Dior. And here I'm talking about Sauvage, and this is actually a good one. The blending is nice, it doesn't smell cheap, the DNA is very nice. A very nice addition of juicy grapefruit with a lot of ambroxan, some blue and marine notes with lavenders, pink pepper and vetiver and cedarwood in the dry down. So this one really smells good, and it also performs very good. For me, this is another meh, because I have lot of clones for Sauvage. But if you like that DNA and if you are looking for something good, then you can try this one, Chasing Waves, if you are a Sauvage fan. This is not bad, but nothing to excite here, at least for me. Very nice, juicy, fresh opening with some woody dry down. So do let me know in the comments box if you have tried this perfume. I would love to hear your feedback once again, even for this perfume. And if we talk about the performance and longevity, then this one performs for like 6 to 7 hours and solid 4 to 5 hours. Then you can refresh this perfume. And this one, on the other hand, performs very nice. You will get a longevity of like around 8 to 10 hours and 5 to 6 hours of solid performance. Then you can refresh it if you want. But if you go trigger happy, you start with like 8 to 10 sprays, then you can rock this perfume for the whole day if you are staying indoors. So the longevity performance is really good, and it also projects very well. A masculine perfume, no age barrier here, works best in summers, but you can also use this perfume all year around. On the other hand, this one is only for summers, like a generic freshy kind of scent. It's more masculine and no age barrier even here. So this was about it. And here you can use this perfume in your office, in your college, wherever you want, whenever you want, even in your sports activities and in your gym. So this was about Chasing Waves. And now let's jump to the last one. And here we got Riviera Sunset. And this is the box. You can see it's a white box once again, but the finishing and the printing here is brown with gold. Let me show you. Here you go. You can see this metallic printing here on the front, and the sun is printed in shiny gold. So yeah, this box looks really nice. And now let me show you the bottle. So bottle once again is very similar. The only difference is the sticker color, the name, design, and the color of these tassels. So here you go. They looks like a jute, you know, that rice sacks. And this one is something wow. This one smells really, really, really good. And for me, this is the winner. This is something really great, and this one smells really good. The official notes breakdown of this particular perfume is exactly similar as Paco Rabanne's 1 million. And I saw some friends saying that this is a clone of 1 million, but trust me, it's not. It's a twist. And for me, this is a fruity version of 1 million elixir, not the original 1 million, because the original 1 million doesn't smell like this. This is way much fruity, sweet, and more lively, and this is something else, because in the original DNA it's all about cinnamon and vanilla, but this is blue, aquatic, with a lot of fruits. There is grapefruit, it's fruity, sweet. Definitely you'll get that cinnamon from 1 million, but this is way much more fruity, more fresh, more aquatic, more blue, and this one really smells very nice. From the first sniff, I was like, this is maybe something near to Azzaro Wanted by Night, but after testing them side by side, I found out that no, yeah, there are some hints, very similar hints from that perfume here, but this is, you can say, like 80 to 85% similar to Paco Rabanne's 1 million elixir with added fruits and sweetness on the top. So this is something really wow, this is something I really liked. And for the performance, this one is a true beast. Lasting and projection is 1 day plus. You will be able to smell this perfume on your t-shirt if you're wearing a cotton t-shirt, even on the next day. And the projection is beastly. Even in the 6, 7, 8 hour, you will get compliments, because this one really smells good and this one really projects well, and a true beast. Once again, a masculine fragrance and no barrier for age, and you can use this perfume all year round. The best weather will be summers, but you can also use this perfume in winters. If you don't have a big collection and you just want to rely on one perfume, then you can use this perfume all year round, even in your gyms, in your sports activities, in clubs, in pubs, in your office, school, parties. It will work anywhere. It will rock. And this is something I really like. So if you don't want to spend your money on the full deal or on the full bundle, then you can go for only this in 95 UAE dirhams. But if you like a Sauvage, and if you think like it's a good deal in 225 dirhams, you get 300 ml perfumes and then 3 samples of these 3 fragrances, then definitely you can go for the whole bundle. For me, this is something I would pick, and this is something which I really liked. So this was my review about these 3 fragrances. If you want me to review these 3, then please don't ask me to review these 3, because these 3 I have nothing to say about these 3, because these 3 fragrances are for women, and these are like very generic. The DNAs they have used in these 3 perfumes are very old, very famous, copied like million times, so nothing to excite here. So this was my review for Summer Breeze bundle. I hope you liked it. Do let me know in the comments box if you have experienced these 3 fragrances. I would love to hear that, and I'm going to catch you in another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.